Hello everyone, good morning. Once again I welcome to my class. Before going to take my class, one more information to you. National Testing Agency, that is NTA, has announced that NTA extended the correction of application, that is a NEET application, till May 3, 2020 at 5 p.m. So if anyone you committed a mistake in your NEET application, is go to official website NTA NEET at nic.in, log in with your ID number, that is registration number and your password, and correct. If there any correction in your application, that is your name, your father name or mother name, even your examination center also. You can change your examination center till 5 p.m. of May 3rd. This is the opportunity to you. You try to go through the website and correct all those things. Okay. Now let's go to our class. Today I am going to discuss about Doppler effect in sound in the 11th standard. It is one of the fascinating topic in sound. What is a Doppler effect? The Doppler effect, everyone is experiencing the Doppler effect in day-to-day life. That is, if you are standing near the road, the ambulance are coming towards you. Suppose for example, this is you, this is observer or listener, this is the ambulance. Ambulance coming towards you, but you feel that you are feeling that the increasing sound when the ambulance are coming towards you. The same time, if ambulance is moving away from you, you are feeling that the sound is decreasing. Why? What is the reason? Continuously the ambulance emitting the sound with a certain frequency. The frequency of the ambulance never be changed. That's a fixed. But is coming towards you, the frequency you feel that you are feeling that the frequency is increased. This ambulance is moving away from you. The sound is a decrease, that the frequency is a decreases. But actually, you are feeling that the sound is increasing or decreasing. The ambulance does not change any frequency, always making the certain frequency. This was first observed by the scientist at Doppler. That's why it is called as Doppler effect. So there is a changing the frequency. The changing frequency is called apparent frequency. But frequency of the ambulance never be changed, already is fixed. But it's appear to change when the ambulance coming towards you or going away from you. It's appear to change. But frequencies always remain constant, emitted by the source. So there is a changing the frequency, apparent frequency. So the phenomenon of the changing apparent frequency of the sound with respect to one another, that means there is a relative motion between source and observer or listener. As long as there is a relative motion between source and observer, there is a changing the frequency. This is called Doppler effect. So the Doppler effect taking place a different situation. If the source moving towards observer or observer moving towards the source, or both are reside away, both are moving towards, there is a changing the apparent frequency. So the apparent frequency could be calculated by using the general formula. Here no need to express the theoretical formula by using this class. But shortly I will tell you some trick by using the common formula. What is the common formula to calculate the apparent frequency? In Doppler effect, n prime is equal to n into V plus or minus VO divided by V plus or minus V S. This n prime apparent frequency. That's a n. It's the actual frequency. emitted by the source. But is what is V? This is this region. This is the factor, velocity ratio. This V represents velocity of sound in medium. VO represents velocity of observer. Vs velocity of source. N prime is equal to N. You remember always, this is general formula. N prime is equal to N into V plus or minus VO, V plus or minus Vs. See this factor. If this factor is lesser than 1, this factor is lesser than 1, it's the fraction multiple with the actual frequency, N prime is lesser than the actual frequency. This factor, if this factor greater than 1, if multiple with actual frequency, N prime is greater than N. So N prime greater than N or lesser than 1 depending upon this factor. So this apparent frequency depend on medium of velocity and also the velocity of observer, velocity of the source. These are the factor depends on apparent frequency. So by using the general formula, how to change the formula in different situation. There are some different situation to calculate apparent frequency by using some trick. I will tell you two important tricks. If you know the two important tricks, we can solve whatever may be the problem asking the Doppler effect. The trick must be remembered always. Very easy. Trick number 1. Trick number 1. See, source. This is observer. Keep source is always left. Observer is always right. Don't change. Source is always keep left hand side. Observer is always keep in right hand side. Don't interchange. The first trick. Another trick is very important. Trick number 2. Sign convention. Already the trick number 1, we kept the sources always in left hand side and observer always in right hand side. In trick 2, sign conversion. How to change the sign conversion? Either source or observer moving from left to right. Keep always it is a negative. If either source, the source moving towards left or observer is moving towards left, that means left to right, always keep the sign conversion negative. Then right to left. Keeps always a positive sign. Suppose the source move towards right to left or observer move towards right to left, keep always a sign convention so positive. If the source move towards left to right or observer move towards from left to right, always keep the sign convention negative. So this sign convention is very important. If we know these two tricks, we can solve whatever may be the problem, whatever may be the problems comes in this category. Trick number 1, always keep the source is left hand side, observer right hand side. In trick number 2, sign convention, if anybody is moving from left to right, the left is always, you consider is a negative. negative character. Left to right, that's always a negative. Right to left is always positive sign. If you remember these two tricks, we can do any problem. But we are going to make a formula by using this main formula, by using these two tricks. N prime is equal to n into v plus or minus vo divided by v plus or minus vs. The case number 1. See, the Doppler effect takes place when there is a relative motion between source of sound and observer. Either observer move towards stationary source or source moving towards stationary observer, there will be taking the Doppler effect, there is a change in the apparent frequency. If the two things are kept constant, there is no Doppler effect. If there is no relative motion between source and observer, there is no Doppler effect. If there is a relative motion, case number 1. In case number 1, the sources is moving towards the stationary observer. First one, case number 1, source. Source moves towards a stationary observer. Remember the trick number 1, that is source always left hand side, observer is always right hand side. Source move towards a stationary observer. Observer at rest. This is rest. Source move towards stationary observer. How can we change this main formula by using this source move towards the stationary observer? Case number 1. Okay, by using the main formula, n prime is equal to n v vo v vs. You must remember in this equation, vo in numerator, vs in denominator. vo in numerator, vs in denominator. If you exchange these two things, everything will be collapse. Be careful by writing this observer velocity and source's velocity. Observer velocity always in numerator, source's velocity always in denominator. Okay. Now sign conversion. First case, source moves towards a stationary observer. Observer at rest. If observer is rest, VO becomes 0. VO becomes 0. So V plus or minus Vs. Now see the sign conversion. The objects are source move towards a stationary observer. Source move from left to right. If left to right, use sign conversion negative. So this is negative. V divided by V minus Vs. The first case, source move towards a stationary observer. The second case, source move away from stationary observer. Again observer is stationary. Now source, it is observer. Still observer is at rest. Now observer source moving away from the observer. How can you change the main formula? N prime, N into, still the observer is at rest. From this main formula, VO becomes 0. So V divided by V, Vs. Now the observer source moving away from observer. That means right to left. Right to left. Use sign conversion positive. So you put positive sign. Case number 3. Observer moving or observer moves towards stationary source. Observer moves towards stationary source. Source is always keeps left hand side, observer always right hand side. Now source is rest. Source is at rest. Observer moving towards stationary source. That means observer O is moving towards stationary source. So can be changed the formula n prime n into here which one is stationary? Source is stationary. If the source is stationary, so velocity of source becomes 0. So numerator become only V, no Vs. Only the sign convention changes the numerator. So the denominator becomes 0. So n prime is equal to n into, in denominator V, Vs remain constant. That's the velocity of source remain constant at rest. Moving towards source. So the sign conversion, observer moving towards from right to left. Right to left. If it is right to left, you put positive sign. So V plus V1. V plus V1. In third case, case number 4. Observer moves away from stationary source. Observer moves away from the stationary source. Source keep right hand left hand side. Observer in left hand side. Now source is at rest. Now observe moving away from the source. If anything is moving from left to right, the sign convention is negative. So n prime is equal to n into. So still the observers or source is at rest. So denominator V. So V minus V0 because it's moving from left to right. Next case. Case number 5. Source and observer are moving towards one another. Observer, source are moving towards one another. So that is yes. It is observer. Both are moving towards. Both are not rest. Both are moving. Source moving towards observer. Observer moving towards source. So n prime. N prime is equal to nothing is stationary. So there will be a V1 there and also Vs. From the main formula, V Vo divided by V Vs. Put first the velocity ratio. Now change the sign conversion. So source moving from left to right. Source moving from left to right. This is source. Source moving from left to right, the sign conversion negative. Now the observer moving from right to left. Right to left, the sign conversion is positive. That's case number 6. Source and observer are moving away. Source, observer moving away from one another. In previous case, they are moving towards one another. In this case, the source and observer moving away from one another. Again, n prime its apparent frequency n prime is equal to, here's n v vo v vs. Okay, the source is moving from right to left, positive, right to source. Where is source? Here is the source, put positive. Now the observer moving from left to right, it is negative. Use sign convention properly at VO at VS. So if you confuse, the formula will be changed. Use the source moving from left to right. If source moving from left to right, it is a positive, you put a positive one in the place of VS. And the observer moving from left to right, it put minus in the place of VO. The case number 5, sorry, case number 7. Source senses observer. What's that? Source says observer. That means both are moving. Observer moving ahead of source. Source sensing towards observer. That means both are moving the same direction. Both are moving same direction. That is a source. It is an observer. So already the source says observer. Observer moving towards another direction. So source sensing observer. So both are moving the same direction. Both are moving same direction. From left to right. So always definitely the sign convention would be negative. So n prime is equal to n v vo divided by v vs. Source moving from left to right, that is negative sign. Source. Observer is moving from left to right, it's also negative. The last case. Observer senses source. That means observer senses source. The source is moving away from observer. Now the observer is sensing towards the source. Observer is sensing towards the source. So n prime is equal to n v vo divided by v vs. Okay. Source is moving from right to left. If it's right to left, positive. Observer moving from right to left, again it is a positive. So the sign convention is very important. If you know the sign convention, if any one, either source or observer is moving one another or away from one another, we can change the formula by using main formula. N prime is equal to n and t v plus or minus v o v plus or minus vs. So be remember, whenever you are going to do any problems, these two tricks must be followed. Two tricks must be followed. Another one. This is the source. This is observer. Source is at rest. Observer moving away from source. Now in this case, formula could be written. So n prime, n into source which is at rest. So in the source region, Vs become rest, V denominator. Numerator, V because object is moving away from the source, V minus V because moving from left to right, V minus V. But if the observer moving a straight line at particular instant, observer moving in a straight line, a particular instant, observer moving, making certain angle with respect to straight line, with respect to source and the listener, or source and the observer. Already the observer is moving in straight line. At a certain instant, observer moving making certain angle with respect to the straight line along the line joining between source and observer. In this case, so we have to change the formula, that is observer. So we have to take observer, the component of the observer. Component of the observer making theta along the direction straight. So this component is a cos component. This component is cos component. So use VO cos theta, VO cos theta. If suppose it is observer, source moving in a straight line, at any instant the source making certain angle with respect to line joining between observer and source moving. Here n prime, n into, here which one is the rest? Observer rest. Observer rest. If observer rest, source is moving. Say formula. So V observer rest, V minus Vs cos theta. V minus Vs cos theta, because observer moving away. See, in this case, the trick, we are not following the trick. We are not following any trick. Suppose, change the trick. It is observer, source moving in a straight line. At any instant, the source making certain angle. So it is a Vs. So observer at rest. Source moving from right to left. Right to left. If it's right to left, you put positive sign. In this occasion. So another one more, the case. If any source or listener moving, making certain angle with respect to one another, so make a component along the line joining between observer and source. So V plus Vs cos theta or V minus Vo cos theta. For no Doppler effect. Condition for no Doppler effect. Number 1. Source left hand side, observer right hand side. If both are rest, observer listening the sound from the source, there is no relative motion between source and observer. So Doppler effect is 0. Is 0 because there is no relative motion between source and observer. Okay. Second case. Consider this is a source, the listener or observer moving along the circumference of the circle. Along circumference of the circle. Now observer at this point. Now at any instant, observer moving toward this point. What is the distance between observer and source? Is the circumference of the circle. Radius is r. Here also radius is r. Though observer is moving along the circumference of the circle, there is no distance change between observer and source. Here also Doppler effect is 0. Though observer is moving along the circumference of the circle with respect to the source situated at the center, there is no change in the distance. At any instance, observer is here. So distance is r. Distance is r. Distance is r. Anywhere. So the distance never be changed. Distance never be changed. So Doppler effect remain 0. In this case also the Doppler effect 0. But again, you change. Here is observer. Here is a source. Again, if you interchange the source and observer, till the Doppler will become 0. So another case. Case number, it is a case number 3. Another case. If suppose this is a source emitting a sound certain frequency along the straight line. If the observer is listen the sound from the source, if observer moving perpendicular direction, making certain angle, that is 90. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Now the observer moving perpendicular with respect to S. here also Doppler effect becomes 0. So already we have seen, if the sources moving along the direction are making certain angle with respect to the line joining between the two things, make the component of the source or component of the listener or observer. That's a cos component. Always it's a cos component. Now it is a perpendicular. In this case, n prime is equal to n. Here source is a rest. The source is a rest. Denominator v plus or minus vs. Vs becomes 0. Vo. Observer is moving. Observer is moving. It's a plus or minus, whatever may be, plus or minus. Making component, what component? Cos component, cos 90, cos 90, 0. So this part becomes 0. V divided by V, n prime. So n prime is equal to n. What frequency emitted by the source? The same frequency here by the observer if he moves perpendicular direction. So these three cases, the Doppler effect remain constant. Another one more case is also there. Case number 4. This is source. This is observer. The distance is, suppose, 10 meter. Distance is 10 meter. If both the sources are observer moving constant distance, not at rest. In this case, both are at rest. There is no Doppler effect because the observer receives the same frequency emitted by the source. In this case also, continuously moving. If the source is moving 1 meter, observer is also moving 1 meter. So the distance between source and observer still constant. Here also, effect is always 0. In 4 cases, Doppler effect remain 0. The case number 1, if there is no relative motion between source and observer, Doppler effect remains 0. If any one of either source or observer situated at the center, another one is revolving around the circumference of the circle. At any point, the distance remains constant. Though it is rotating in a circular motion, the distance remains constant. Doppler effect becomes 0. If the source or observer are moving perpendicular to one another, here also the cos 90 becomes 0. So cos 90 0, v divided by v cancel. So n prime is equal to. In this case, here also, if cos 0, the source, observer is at rest, source is moving perpendicular, angle is a 90. If cos 90 0, here n prime is equal to n. In these 4 cases, the Doppler effect remain constant. Now, by using these cases, now we are going to do some numerical problems. Before going to do any problem, you must remember there are 2 tricks. One trick, the source is always at left hand side, observer always at right hand side. The first trick. Second trick is sign convention. If either source or observer moving from left to right, always negative, right to left, it is always positive. So by using the main formula, n prime, n v plus or minus vo, v plus or minus vs, the sign convention. You must remember again, observer velocity in numerator, source velocity at denominator. See, in alphabetical, in English alphabetical, the O, S comes after O. Remember, S comes after O. O, P, Q, R, S. So first O, the next is S. So you must remember all those condition and the trick. If we know the trick, definitely we will enrich whatever may be the formula comes from this Doppler effect. Okay. We will see some numerical problem by using this relative motion between source and observer.